What's up? It's Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. And in this video, I'm going to answer a YouTube question. So the debt collector is calling my house at 8:30 a.m. every morning. What should I do? What should I do? What you should immediately do is you should answer your phone. You should tell them to send you what they're claiming, uh, for why they're calling you. They might ask for some verification of your name, maybe your address, last four of your social, but you should not give them anything that they should already have. So they might ask for your name, they might say, do you live at this address? They already know that. They might say, give me your social security number. You would say no. You would say, I'll give you the last four. And then if it matches, it matches. If it doesn't, you immediately tell them to take you off the list and stop calling. Now, what you can this is what you should do, if especially if you know that it's a debt that you owe or a debt that you may not know anything about. You answer the phone and you ask them, what is this about? You go through the steps that I just told you, and then you tell them to send you what they're claiming, and then you tell them immediately that you want them to cease all calls and only communicate with you by mail. And you have a right to have that done. And then once you get that information, you review it, and then you take them through the process that I just talked about in the video that I made right before this one, which is you want to read and see who that original creditor is, or if they're collecting it for the original creditor, and then you need to respond to them. If it's a debt that you know you owe, it might be something recent they're trying to collect on it, then you need to sit down and see what are your options on being able to resolve it. If it's a debt that was purchased by a third party debt collector, they're telling you, hey, it used to be with this company, we own it now. Then you need to take them through the entire process. Number one, making sure that it's not past legal statute of limitations to collect in your state. Number two, you need to send them a cease and desist collection activities letter. Even though they bought it, you need to still make sure that they have all of the information that they're supposed to have to be able to come after you for that debt. And then they might respond back with, some statements or whatever. Then you'll read what they got, and then you'll make that request again. I give you those free letters on what to do and say. All you have to do is click the link below this video. It's the statute of limitations letter, cease and desist collection activities letter, and debt validation letter. You got to make some adjustments on them after they come back with their responses, but this will at least give you a fighting chance with fighting with a debt collector before they take it forward and try to put it on your credit reports and try to also move it forward and try to take you to court if the debt is high enough for them to even try that option. All right, I'm in the video here. This is if you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, what makes us different. If you can follow that process, we invite you to become a customer. If you need your credit reports and scores, because you're going to need to know who that original creditor is and when they charge off the date for the statute of limitation laws that for your area, you need to you can go to the website you order number 3scores.com to grab your credit reports. And then for the statute of limitations, go to my website, thecreditrepairshop.com, the blog, search statute of limitations, and you'll see a page that'll pop up that'll give you 4 columns of different types of debt in the statute of limitations time frame for each state, all 50 states. And then if you need any of the letters, those links are below this video. Thank you for your time. This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.